All right, here we are. We are in staging here at Mecum Kissimmee. Some cool stuff here. Price for $300. Power Cure sticker in it. It's Corinthian leather. I'm gonna walk up here a little bit. Actually got a total of 350 vehicles on the green sheet for today. That didn't count. That's a big, big deal. Chevelle SS 454. Thought this was kind of interesting. Monza Mirage. When was the last time we saw one of these?
Yeah, this one's a 305. Four-speed though.
V8 4-speed car. Pretty cool. Some original paint on it. And we've got a Hellcat behind that. Scat Pack wide body. Interesting. Two-tone interior. 6-speed transmission. I didn't know that hood was on the 392 models. I had to have a blower to get the hood. Maybe. Mirage is getting some attention. We'll see what happens when it goes over the block. Get 383 powered 67 Charger. Cleaning the dust off. Miami Vice Islander Jeep. Chevelle. 396. 4-speed console car. That 95,000 miles. 454 installation. Cool. Studebaker Commander station wagon. It's pretty wild. Louver hood. Customized grill. That was a conversion done in 1954 with a 500 CI Cadillac V8 engine. Turbofan and tram. It's Tuesday here at Mecum. Some cool stuff here. Again, you never know what might turn up. So you got a Nissan SEV6, Corvette, and how about a real Stanley Steamer. It's a little TLC. '21, original, built in Watertown. It says in running condition. That's pretty wild. Pretty wild. So considering what it is, it's wooden wheels. Pretty cool piece. And somebody's got a great project here if they're into this stuff. This is a great project. And it's Tuesday, and we've got a lot of stuff to go over the block here. Wide body 2023 Challenger. Pretty nice, no reserve. How about this, man? Monza Mirage. They got red leather-like interior, 4-speed car, 305 engine. Again, turbo action tires, pretty cool. It's obviously Survivor paint, that red, white, and blue paint. Pretty wild piece here, man. Go around with it. 21,000 miles. Special order V8 Monza. And Mirage was only produced by 1 year as a dealership deal by Michigan Auto Techniques, or IMSA. Fastback 1967 Charger here, another cool piece. This one's a 383. Nice interior. Speakers in the back panel. A little bit of work, but hey. Special air cleaner. Stamp on it. Aluminum radiator. And 67 was the lowest production year in those early ones. So. AT4. And nice big car. What I thought was cool was the Stanley Steamer.
55,000.
Some attention. I have a feeling it could end up being a rod before it's done. 1921 year. It says it's in running condition. They got Stanley Steamer grill frame. Pretty cool. And the front of the row is a Corvette. And these are G155 to 160, 155 one on the Steamer. These are cars that we'll go over the next couple hours. A lot of cars here and then moving into staging as we get into the afternoon. It's Ferrari.
$60,000. 62.
Pretty cool car here. Nondescript GS 455. Bench seat, column shift. Factory tack. Spring spoke steering wheel. Buick mag wheels. Bumperettes. Pretty cool piece. From the Lynch collection, it says. 72. Only 1,000 done. 55 that year. Insurance was pretty high. 15-inch rally wheels. Authentic restored, stage 1 upgrade. Dangerous. Cool piece. Charger again. 217 AMX with some nice mods to it. Cool. How about this thing? Check this out. The Zimmer Quicksilver, only 170 of these were made. Based on a Fiero, stretch 16-inch wheelbase. That's pretty insane, man. Based on a Fiero. Custom interior. Quicksilver Zimmer. I say I've never seen anything like that before. I require a special buyer to really dig it. Reserve. Power steering and brakes, windows and locks, air tilt cruise, unique one of a kind, drive wheels. 10,000 miles since it was built. You can see the Fiero Heritage in that back window. Other than that, there's really very little that would give you the idea that's what that started out as. Pretty wild. People trying the Isetta out. That's 57. And part of the link's correct. Bel Air, Buick 283. Buick. Rolling forward is a well-run truck. Price for 300. Power tool sticker in the background, so very cool. Digging this crazy four-door truck here, man. Good slats. Turbocharged V6 in it. Factory AC, 100-dash AC, not SAC 100-dash, it's dealer installed. Great crew cab ride right there. So we're gonna go back and look at some of the cars that sold over last weekend that are still here on the property. But that's Tuesday here at Mecum, and this is Jeff Stunkford. I will be on TV sometime tomorrow, and we will again preview some of the Wednesday cars, get them up as well. So one final note, if you hadn't heard, John Craman, who has been a part of Mecum since it really got big, he passed away over the weekend. So rest in peace, John.